What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. We're picking up where we left off last time, and something different here. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, the engine base painted. Let me show you a little time lapse of the painting of this engine. For the most part, the engine bay is, I would say, 98% complete. There's some little details here and there, but it's looking slick as it ever has been. Also, glass is out. Have the technician yesterday come and take off the glass, and the back glass is also gone. All the metal seems to be in good shape. Nothing really rusted. A little bit of surface rust here, but nothing major. All right, now that this is painted, we can start assembling the suspension. So, K-member, it's there, painted, ready to go. I have the A-arms drying right now, and I got a little package in the mail. Let's open it up and see what.